How's it going, you little bungalow bitch? James Reeves, you're watching TFBTV Mailroom 54, late as usual. This is for August. We're going to announce our gun giveaway and our Blue Alpha winners in just a moment, but I have to apologize, running a little late. We're also desperate. Desperate times, desperate measures. I have to go to my 3-year-old nephew Ben's birthday party today. I hate kids, so I was going to crack open a nice cold 1 or 3 with you guys on TFBTV Mailroom today, but my hooker wife ran off with a cooler with all of the good beer, literally all of the good beer. So all I have is the crap that people just kind of leave at your house, you know, and it's been sitting in your fridge for God knows how long. So we're going today with a pre-mixed Aperol Spritz. Probably going to taste like shit, but, you know, 9%, it'll get the job done. Let's get started. It would definitely be better in some ice with a slice of orange and some potato chips. Side note, my brother, DC Reeves, did in fact win the mayoral election for Pensacola, Florida, so congratulations to DC. Thank you guys for all of your support. Before we start opening the mail, let's announce our winners. We give away 4 guns every single month to our supporters on Utreon and Subscribestar only. Patreon doesn't allow us to do a gun giveaway. So these 4 people right here just won a free gun from Top Gun Supply. Guys, I will follow up with you. If you don't like the gun, you can just take a $350 gift certificate. Speaking of that, our limited $25 tier, we only allow 100 people in on Utreon and Subscribestar. We give away one $250 gift certificate to Top Gun Supply. Congratulations to this guy who just won a $250 gift certificate to Top Gun Supply. Thank you guys so much for your support. We also give away 4 $100 gift certificates to Blue Alpha, our sponsor for years. Get the best belt. Go on there and just get you a good belt. You 4 guys who just won. Guys, you don't have to do anything to enter. If you're at the $5 level or higher on Utreon or Subscribestar, you're automatically entered to win a free gun every month. And if you're at any level on Utreon or Subscribestar, you're automatically entered to win a Blue Alpha gift certificate every single month. Check the description for the full rules and details. Let's drink some Aperol Spritz and open some mail. Ugh. All right, let's start it light. Andrew, Comstock Park, Michigan. Dear James, I know how much you despise reading handwritten letters. No, I love it. I love it when you guys send them in because your handwriting usually is so awful, like around the same level as your education, like 7th, 6th grade. I know how much you despise reading handwritten letters, so rather than show you my serial killer handwriting, I figured I'd type this out at work instead. Good use of time. I hope you did it on the clock. Like most of the people you get letters from, I'm writing to you in a dark, windowless room. That's called your mom's basement. But unlike most of the people that write to you, I'm not in my mom's basement. All right, this guy's watched the mailroom or two. I work night shift at the Sheriff's Department Dispatch Center. Your short shorts, Hawaiian shirts, expensive taste in firearms, and sense of humor make your videos an instant go for me when I want to have a genuine laugh as well as learn something new about guns. Thank you so much. That's what I do it for, my friend. I've sent my department's patch with this letter for the legendary James Reeves patch wall. Unfortunately, we did not have a regular color scheme patch available, so I got you the breast cancer awareness patch. Free ma'am exams right here, by the way, ladies, for all 3 of you watching. Since I know how much you love the color pink, and it happens to be for a good cause too, our department's cool and allows deputies to wear different colored patches on their uniforms depending on what month it is. Keep up the great content. Andrew, P.S. I'm not a 1911 owner. I'm not a Glock owner either, so take that as you will. I learned about the company RX through your factory tour video a few years back. Love those guys, by the way. Super underrated gun company. And I recently pulled the trigger, haha, pun pun, nice, on making a Rex 01, my new EDC. Your story about getting blackout drunk in Slovenia and you taking shots with some of the RX guys in a broom closet at EWA this year confirmed to me they're a pretty damn cool, down-to-earth company. They are. Like, they truly, guys, I think at this point in our relationship, 7 years of TFBTV, you guys understand I don't blow smoke up your ass. RX has never paid me a dime. In fact, I think like maybe they sent me the original Rex Zero in green as like a thank you maybe a couple of years ago, which is kind of neat. But you know, they've never paid me a dime. I think they're a great company, as with most companies that I deal with here. So, you know, big shout out to the boys. Grega, I'm looking for you next time I'm in Slovenia. We just took our second trip there a few months back, and we'll be going back a third time. Sean B. from Live Oak, Florida. Damn, Live Oak, dog. I used to drive as fast as I could through that place whenever I was going back and forth from Tallahassee. Stay away from Live Oak. Dear James, first, love the shorts, but I prefer them on Daisy Duke, though you've inspired my girl to wear short, serious bro move. Owe you one. No problem, man. Second, I run a small-time gun channel on YouTube. Seeing it grow is a dream of mine, though I had a stroke at 24 years old. Jesus Christ, I am sorry to hear about that. And I now fear my time's much less than what I was hoping for. Who knows what may happen. I can't seem to gain any traction. It's tough now, gun channels on YouTube. And the odds are against me. Any insight you could give on how TFBTV became the powerhouse it is today would be massively appreciated. Sean B., the blind sniper. I guess you're going to have to compete with Michiko if you're really blind for best blind gun tuber channel on YouTube. But in all seriousness, first of all, that sucks. Back when I had my FFL and I was selling guns just outside of college, I donated 1% of my sales every month to Foundation Fighting Blindness because I thought, like, in my mind, that would really suck. You know, like, I enjoy guns so much, and to be blind, I know this is kind of a heavy topic for Mailroom. I'm sorry about that, but in my mind, it just sucks so bad. So for the longest time, I mean, I gave thousands of dollars over the years to Foundation Fighting Blindness. Always been a favorite charity of mine. As far as insight on like getting good at YouTube, funny story, when they first started the channel, when TFB did, they asked me, James, do you want half the money, the ad revenue from the channel, or do you want us to just pay you per video? $200 a video, nothing, right? Which would you rather have? I said, there is no way that I'm going to get over 100,000 subscribers ever. So I'm just going to take the $200 a video. Totally boofed myself over the years with that to the tune of probably tens of thousands of dollars. But I love doing it, and I think that's ingredient number one. You got to have the love. It sounds like you do. After that, great production value. You need to have good production value. Fortunately, I got a very good start because I've always been a camera guy. I've always been a video guy. I've always edited my own videos for TFBTV, except for SHOT Show. I edit my own videos on TFBTV, pick the music, do all of it. And, you know, I'm even filming myself right now with my own gear. So getting good at video photography, critical. I mean, there are some crap channels out there from a videography standpoint, like Hickok, but he was one of the first guys to do it. And, you know, but his video quality sucks. Ian at Forgotten Weapons, I think he shoots with an iPhone. And, you know, I think, and I love Ian, by the way. And Ian, if you're watching, God, I am so sorry. Please don't smite me. Gun Jesus, good guy. Love Ian. I consider him a personal friend. But Ian and Carl at InRange, like those guys shoot with iPhones, but they bring really, really interesting, different content you can't get anywhere else. Like if I want a video on a Derringer that Napoleon shoved up his ass, there isn't like 70 videos about it on YouTube. You got to go to Ian. So you got to deal with the iPhone. But you see, like the real powerhouse YouTube channels are the ones where you've got good personalities, which excludes us, good videography, I'll take that. And you know, you can try to bring unique content. We don't have that. I don't think our content is that unique, but I think that maybe we differ in presentation from everyone else, and we've got a specific formula that we follow with reviews, and we don't take money and like shill out. So I think it's a conjunction of a bunch of factors that I don't know. You guys tell me. I mean, why do you watch TFBTV? I mean, I thought we were going to be terrible. So I'm shocked actually that you guys watch TFBTV. But I would say you got to have the love. Videography helps, but if you don't have good videography, you need to either be one of the first ones to do it. You don't have a time machine. If you do, I want to be your friend. Love for the game, good videography, or unique content, preferably both. I think that's how you do it. And I'm saying it like it's so easy, but that is really, really hard to do, to get all those things. So, but I will plug your channel. I'm going to put a link in the description. Hopefully you get some subs from this. All right, Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Noah and Lauren, definitely a wedding invite. I might have to go to this one because this is only about an hour and a half away. Baton Rouge, whatever the fuck that obnoxious song is. Lauren Fracture to Noah Marks, Saturday, June 4. Oh shit, I missed this one. Oh shit, I could have gone to this one. I could probably still get you something from Bed Bath & Beyond or Amazon or Top Gun Supply, whatever. Oh God, Metairie. This dude's like 15, 20 minutes away. It's getting closer and closer. Holy smokes. 7-year-old block handwriting on grid paper. This guy has definitely beaten an animal before. I have enclosed 3 S&W Shield EZ mags for 380 ACP. And a note here, anal constipation pills. You spelled constipation correctly. YSF, you're so fine. TSS, toxic shock syndrome, like tampons. Dude, seriously, thank you. I'm going to give these to Connie. Like, I'm going to leave them here in Pensacola, and these will go, because remember, Connie's favorite gun, if you guys saw like my Mother's Day episode and then my Glock versus 1911 episode, I got Connie the Shield EZ in 380. Mama's going to love having some extra mags because she's going to the range at least once a month and shooting at least 2 boxes once a month, which is more than half you animals out there. Let Connie be your inspo. Let her be your inspo. Get to the range more. Refuge Medical from Spiro, Oklahoma. Very professional. Look at this, how well sorted out this package is. You go from serial killer with the grid handwriting to this really nice little setup here. Refuge Medical Training. American-made IFAC, thoughtfully designed to address the March E algorithm to combat battlefield injuries, life-threatening bleeding, airway and respiratory issues, and more. Vehicle kit, homestead kit, or bleeding control kit. The SOB kit, small back, is purpose-built individual first aid kit, thoughtfully designed to address the March E algorithm, treating life-threatening bleeding. I hate math. Do I have to do math to use these? Is that what you're telling me? Damn, dude, this is fancy. I'm afraid to even open it up. Like, oh yeah, everything, like, you got everything in. I just had to check, to make sure that this wasn't full of Chili Mac MREs or something and not first aid gear. Like, seriously, I'll probably put this in my car. Thank you guys for sending this in. Refuge Medical Training, thank you guys so much. I guess go give them a page hit just for sending something in to TFBTV. Oh, holy shit. They sent another one. Okay. Another one, same kit, just different colors. Okay, here's what we're going to do. If you're a subscriber to this channel, the top voted comment, if you want this shit, I will send this to you. I will send this box with, that's a lot of expensive shit in that box there, buddy. And I'll send it to you for the top rated comment if you're in the United States. I don't feel like sending all this crap overseas. Leave a comment, and at some arbitrary point in time, like a week, 2 days, 3 days, whatever, I will select the top voted comment, and I will send you this stuff if you're interested. We're almost out of Aperol Spritz, and we're almost out of mail. So we're going to conclude. Taylor Matthews, Church of the Resurrection. Who is Taylor Matthews, Church of the Resurrection?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Church of the Resurrection. To my P.O. box. I can't tell if this is a joke or if somebody sent this to... Oh, this is not a joke. Somebody sent this to the wrong place. Look at this. You've got to be kidding me. It's another Mailroom miracle. Oh my God, there's some church right now in Louisiana that doesn't have the federally required workers' compensation and OSHA laws posted in a prominent space in the workplace. They're just doing business for the Lord illegally. Somebody got injured carrying a bunch of chairs or like moving a church pew, and it's like, son of a bitch. What is the phone number for OSHA? 1-800-321-OSHA. That guy doesn't know that, so he never made a claim. He's crippled and penniless and now homeless because he didn't know his employee rights. Genetic discrimination. Tell you what, I discriminate on some genetics. If those genetics don't have C cups, hit the road, Jack. I could not run a business. Not this day and age. Federal minimum wage, $7.25 an hour. Not a socialist or anything, but goddamn, that's criminal. Employee Polygraph Protection Act. It prohibits private employers from using lie detector tests for pre-employment screening. That is hilarious. I wonder if anyone is actually like strapped in an employee. You're about to get $7.25 an hour at the Burger King, and your boss is asking you if you've ever consorted with the Hamburglar. Oh, this is too good. This is too good. All right, guys, you're too good. You're too good to me. There's absolutely no reason why TFBTV should have almost 1.3 million subscribers. Thank you guys for your support. This is the part at every mailroom. I've had a little Aperol Spritz. I get a little emotional because I don't deserve this. I don't deserve you. I love you, even if you're a crap face most of the time. Have a great day. Take care. Totally worth it.